Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I will show you how to get a free World of Warcraft Classic key code. I'm already playing it on my PC right now. As you can see, I'm showing you a bit of the gameplay. This game needs no introduction. It's absolutely amazing, as you know, guys. Okay, so I'll show you guys how you can get a free key code right now. Okay guys, so let me show you right now how I was able to get a free key code for World of Warcraft Classic. Just open up your browser, either Safari or Chrome, and go to goodgames.live. So goodgames.live is the website where I got my free World of Warcraft key code. Okay, just scroll down and find World of Warcraft Classic. Type in your email address, make sure it is correct, otherwise someone else might get your free key code. Okay, choose your platform PC and then press continue. Now it will start connecting to the servers and create a unique key code for us. So please be patient. This is really worth it, guys. And so far the only working method to get the free key code for World of Warcraft Classic. And it looks like some of the characters of the key code are missing. So we are required to actually prove that we are human. And from what I understand, guys, this is required to prevent any bots from abusing the site. So let's read the instructions. Your IP looks suspicious. A verification is required. Follow the instructions for 2 apps below to receive your email. Key code will instantly be sent. Okay, so let's follow the instructions for 2 apps below. You can choose any 2 apps from the list. Let's see, CyberGhost VPN, and this might take a while, so I'll get back after the apps are finished downloading. Okay guys, the apps have finished downloading. Now all we have to do is use each app for at least 30 seconds. In this case, ZenMade VPN. I would also recommend you to create an account if you want to. It's very simple. Just type in your email address and or any email address for that matter, and matching password, and after that just scroll down through the app for at least 30 seconds, and you can move on to the second app, CyberGhost VPN. As you can see, guys, this is a very simple method and it takes only a few minutes at most to get a free World of Warcraft Classic key code. You will not have to spend a single dollar, and after doing this you will play the game for free. And let's see, guys, any second now we should receive a key code. Let's see. And yes, guys, right there, as you can see, your free World of Warcraft Classic code is ready. Here is your free World of Warcraft Classic key code. Please redeem on your Blizzard account. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe, share it with your friends. Peace out.